right, today we're looking at math lesson 1.10 or 1.2. It's numerical expression. How can you use a numerical expression to describe a situation? There's the key. You're just going to describe the situation. You're not going to solve it. You're just going to describe what is happening. So on your page 43, it says choose an operation to use. Here's the definition of a numerical expression. A numerical expression is a mathematical phrase that has numbers and operation signs but does not have an equal sign. So there's no equal sign. That's important. What are operation signs? Okay, multiplication, the plus sign, the times sign, the division sign, the subtraction sign. Okay, those are all operation signs. Choose one operation to use. Tyler caught 15 small bass and his dad caught 12 small bass in a memorial bass tournament at Thibodaux, Pennsylvania. Write a numerical expression to represent how many fish they caught. So Tyler caught how many?
15.
And his dad caught?
12.
And they want to know what? How many they caught in all. So 15 plus 12 represents how many fish they caught in all. There's a numerical expression right there. Okay, this is example 1. It says write an expression to match the words. And they even tell you that this is addition. Emma has 11 fish in her aquarium. She buys 4 more fish. Okay. Lucia has 128 stamps. She uses 38 stamps on party invitations. So 128 minus what?
38.
38. Multiplication. Carla buys 5 books. Each book costs $3. How many books did Carla buy?
5.
And how much did each book cost her?
$3.
$3. And you're done. Division. 4 players shared 52 cards equally. How many cards? How many players?
4.
Because they shared them equally, we're going to divide. Which expression matches the meaning of the words? Doug went fishing for 3 days. Each day, this is on page 44 by the way, each day he put $15 in his pocket. At the end of each day, he had $5 left. How much money did Doug spend at the end by the end of the trip? Think. Each day he put $15 in his pocket and had 5 left. He did this for 3 days. So 15 minus what? 5, because he had 5 left every day, right? Okay. So, how many days did he do that?
3.
3. So 3 times.
15 minutes.
Notice that I'm putting some dollar signs in. So at the end of 3 days, Doug had spent what? What is 15 minus 5? 10, and he did that for?
3 days.
So if you were solving this on paper, it might look like this. So at the end of the day, 3 days, he had spent $30.
That's a lot.
Okay, this says, on mine in example 3, it says which expression matches the problem 20 minus, parentheses, 12 plus 3, $12 plus $3. So which one of those at the top? Kim has $20 to spend for her fishing trip. She spends $12 on a fishing pole. Then she finds $3. How much money does Kim have now? Or Kim has $20 to spend for her fishing trip. She spends $12 on a fishing pole and $3 on bait. How much money does Kim, have now? So which one matches that expression? The one where she spends $12 on a fishing pole and then finds $3? Or the one where she spends 12 and she spends 3? So it says list the events in order. First, Kim has $20. Okay, so let's fill this out for this first expression. We're going to fill this part out for this first expression. Kim has $20 to spend for her fishing trip. So that's there. Next, what does Kim do next? She spends $12. So that's what underneath your box, first box on the left, you need to write Kim spends $12. Okay, so we did the Kim spends, that she spends $12. Then what is the next step? What does she do? She finds $3. Do these words match the expression? So she has $20. She gives 12 of it to the clerk for her fishing pole, and then she finds 3 more. Is that what this says?
Yeah.
Does?
No.
Okay, why do you think yes?
Because it has a addition sign instead of a subtraction sign in parentheses.
Okay, but when we put those two things in parentheses, what are we going to do?
So, wouldn't you just add those to
Subtract them. So does this make sense?
No.
Because if we're working this out in math, we're going to have $20 minus, and we're going to do what's in our parentheses, $12 plus $3, which is $15, and eventually we would end up with $5. Okay, that's what we're doing. Is that what she did here? This would be $20 minus $12 plus $3. So, do these words match your expression? No, they do not. So that's your first one under example 3. Okay, now I'm going to erase all that, and we're going to do the one on the left side of the page that says Kim has $20 to spend. She spends, so next Kim spends $12. Then Kim spends $3. So going back to this expression, she has her $20, and then we're going to combine this to be $15 so that she has $5 left. So do these words match the expression? This one matches the expression. So we're going to say yes. So you got to be a little careful there. Okay, now you're at the share and show at the bottom, page 44, and it says circle the expression that matches the word. Terry had 18 worms. She gave 4 worms to Susie and 4 worms to Jamie. So which one is correct? The one on the left or the one on the right? Let's label this A. So the people watching, which one's correct? A or B? B. Why is B correct?
Because she's giving 7.
She's giving $7 total away. Okay? On this one, she has 18 worms, or 7 worms away. On this one, she has 18 worms. She gives 4 away, but then she gets 3 more. So that one can't be correct. Let's see if they give me number 2 here. Rick has $8. He then worked 4 hours for $5 each hour. Okay, so he started out with $8. Then he went and worked $4 hours, and he got $5 for each of those hours. So which one, now don't shout it. Which one of these expressions do you think is correct? If you think A is correct, raise your hand. Okay? Nobody thinks A is correct. If you think B is correct, raise your hand. Okay? There's a few that think it's correct, and there's some of you who raise your hand if you don't have any idea which one's correct. Okay, and there's a few of us. Let's talk this through. He started with $8. Then he went and worked 4 hours for $5 each hour. This one, we're not even adding money. And did he work 8 plus 4, $12, and then take that times $5? No. He had this $8. Then he went and worked 4 hours at $5 an hour. So how much money did he make then? $20. So now he has $28. So it's expression A, the one we labeled A, the first one. Okay. So in the second one, you should have circled the equation on the right. All right. This is number 7 on page 45 on your own. It says, write an expression to match the words. Jose shared 12 party favors equally among 6 friends. First of all, let's talk about what operations are we going to do. He shared them equally. We are going to divide. What is going to be our dividend? What are we dividing? What number? 12. And we're dividing that by 6. And we're done. We don't have to solve it even. You just get to be done. Try another. Braden, this is number 8. Braden has. Okay, this is number 8. Write an expression to match the word. Braden has 14 baseball cards. He finds 5 more cards. Emma, what are we going to do? What operation? Going to add, subtract, multiply, or divide. He has 14 baseball cards. He finds 5 more. We're going to add. And what are we going to add? He has 14 and he finds 5 more. Let's see if they give us a different one. Monique. This is number 10. Now this one is a little longer and can be solved in 2 different ways. Monique had $20. She spent 5 on lunch and 10 at the bookstore. Who wants to take a try at this? Natalie. $20. So we could say minus $5 plus $10. And then we could do that. That is one way. We can also write it with no parentheses. And we wouldn't have a plus here, we'd have a minus. So if we used our order of operations, we would just subtract